Welcome to today's lesson on chemistry. We will explore what chemistry is, its branches, careers in chemistry, and the importance as well as the adverse effects of chemistry in our world. Chemistry is the branch of science that deals with matter. It helps us understand the composition, structure, and properties of matter. It also explains how matter changes from one form to another. Matter is simply anything that has mass and occupies space. Chemistry helps us understand how different substances combine, how they react with each other, and how they transform into new substances. We study chemistry to better understand the world around us. It helps improve health, industry, and technology. And most importantly, chemistry equips us with knowledge to solve global challenges such as pollution, food production, and energy crisis. Chemistry is divided into several branches. These include analytical chemistry, physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, biochemistry, and industrial chemistry. Analytical chemistry focuses on studying the composition of substances. For example, it is used in testing the purity of drinking water. Physical chemistry deals with the physical properties of substances and the energy changes that occur during chemical reactions. For instance, when fuel burns, we can study the heat changes involved. Organic chemistry focuses on the study of carbon compounds, such as fuels, plastics, and drugs. Inorganic chemistry deals with non-carbon compounds, such as salts, metals, and minerals. Biochemistry studies the chemical processes that occur in living organisms, such as digestion and respiration. Industrial chemistry applies chemistry in industries to produce useful products, such as fertilizers, drugs, and processed food. Chemistry opens the door to many careers. These include medicine, pharmacy, engineering, forensic science, food technology, and environmental science. In medicine, chemistry plays a vital role. First, chemistry provides knowledge about how drugs are made. Next, doctors prescribe these drugs to treat diseases. Finally, patients recover and regain their health. The importance of chemistry cannot be overstated. It improves agriculture through fertilizers and pesticides. It advances medicine with vaccines and antibiotics. It produces fuels, plastics, and materials we use daily. And it provides clean water and sanitation methods that sustain life. Chemistry also has some negative effects if not properly controlled. Examples include pollution of air, water, and soil. Drug abuse and misuse of chemicals cause health problems. Acid rain and environmental degradation damage nature. And certain chemical activities contribute to climate change. Chemistry is a powerful science. When used responsibly, it brings progress, comfort, and solutions to human problems. But when misused, it can bring destruction and suffering. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. You can pause the video if you need more time. In conclusion, chemistry is the study of matter and its changes. It has many branches and career opportunities. It provides countless benefits but also poses dangers if misused. We must therefore use chemistry wisely to improve life on Earth. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.